Hi guys. So now, actually, I forgot the intro. Okay, so this is Course Gaming, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So now, I am gonna teach you how to make your own house in Sakura School Simulator. So it's so easy. So to rhythm that. So all you need to do is just press menu and click props. It's up to you if you can click login or account creation. If you press account creation, just put your name and voila, it's done. And it's so easy because you can just click pick up list. So oh my god, this is my okay, let's try that. Okay, that one. And just press download now, like that, and now you have your own house. Oh my god guys, it's so aesthetic. It's so aesthetic. That's a living room. This is the bedroom. I think there's another bedroom there. There's that CR. This is another bedroom. There's even a torch. Is that torch? Okay, that is the comforters. Okay, I need to have a house journal. This is the shower, and this is the toilet. And can I just? Oh, that's the door. So this is the sink. Why does it looks like a jail? Okay, this one is so aesthetic because it has a game. There guys, and we have an air conditioner, and let's go down. We have a TV and a center table, a mini center table. So guys, in my next video I'm gonna post on YouTube. So I'm gonna share you my builds like that. I don't know how to build on any of them, but they're so aesthetic. This is so aesthetic guys. Okay, you can comment if you can do a request if you want to learn more about Sakura. So let's press carbon. Why is it that? Okay, there. Let's just push the van. There. Actually, is that good? Yes, that's good. Okay. If you want more videos, just comment down here below and subscribe. Bye.